Hey, everyone. Good morning. How are you all doing today? My name is Elaine, and I've noticed that many people are talking about the Derma Prime supplement. But I understand that not everyone is familiar with what it really is. That's why I'm here to record this video and share everything you need to know about Derma Prime Plus. If you're curious to learn more about it, then stick around until the very end. I'll be sharing a ton of valuable information, including one specific thing you should be aware of before purchasing Derma Prime Plus. Now, let's get into the details. If you decide to buy Derma Prime Plus, you should know that you can only get the original product from their official website. I've provided the link below this video in the description box for your convenience. Let's delve into what Derma Prime Plus really is. It's a specially formulated supplement designed to combat free radicals that can damage your skin's health. By doing so, it revitalizes your skin, brightens your complexion, and even detoxifies your liver, restoring enzymes. With its anti-inflammatory properties, it alleviates skin irritation and inflammation. If you've been struggling with skin issues and are looking for a solution, I encourage you to give Derma Prime Plus a chance. One of the remarkable benefits is that it aids your body in absorbing more nutrients, contributing to holistic development. Not just your skin, but it's also beneficial for your hair and nails. By boosting collagen production, Derma Prime Plus keeps your skin hydrated and healthy looking for a long time. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some customers have to say about their experiences with Derma Prime Plus. Lena Sulkasai, I've struggled with dull and damaged skin for years. I decided to try Derma Prime Plus, and I must say my skin looks brighter and healthier than ever before. I'm amazed at how it has improved my overall complexion. Joseph Riley of Derma Prime Plus has been a game changer for me. My skin used to be sensitive and prone to redness, but after using this supplement consistently, I've noticed a significant reduction in skin irritation. It's truly a lifesaver. Shopia Jane, I was skeptical about trying another skincare product, but Derma Prime Plus proved me wrong. It's easy to take, and the results are impressive. My skin feels rejuvenated, and I've even noticed a positive impact on my hair and nails. These are just a few examples of satisfied customers. The experiences shared by others can be helpful in making an informed decision about Derma Prime Plus. Here's an important highlight: the key ingredients in Derma Prime Plus protect your skin from environmental toxins, and because it's completely natural, you can rest assured that there are no side effects. Natural products are truly excellent for your skin. If you're still unsure about trying Derma Prime Plus and concerned about wasting your money, don't worry. You have a full 60 days to test it out. If within that time, you find it's not right for you, for any reason at all, you can contact the support team for a full refund. For the best results, remember to take Derma Prime Plus every single day. Consistency is the key to experiencing great results, as your body adapts and gets used to the supplement over time. Just a reminder, Derma Prime Plus is only available for purchase on their official website, which I've linked below this video. And rest assured, it's approved by the FDA and certified by the GMP, making it a trustworthy choice. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. Be sure to visit their official website for more details and to read more customer reviews. Stay safe and have a wonderful day.